up, everybody? It's late night, nearly 11 p.m. and I gotta work tomorrow. But first, I just gotta tackle this one more task. Well, I just got 3 printers given to me for free. Here they're all made by Packard, and they're all printers, scanners, copiers. This one right here is also a fax machine. These two are very similar, not the exact same model, but almost very simple. They're exactly 360 days apart. Yeah, this one's the front port is broken off of this one. Anyway, this one was manufactured on November 19th, 2007. And this one over here, November 22nd, 2006. And this one right here, for some reason, doesn't have a date code. I don't get that. But this one, anyways, this one is about the same age, maybe a little newer. But these two, I think, they look a lot older than they actually are. I mean, they obviously have not been used in years. They've just been up in the attic at the BFWs. And anyways, I thought we should have some fun with them. So what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna choose which one to take apart. I think what we're gonna do, we'll just start with something simple. We'll do this one right over here, the 8-year-old one. This one is in worse shape. This one right here, I have better ideas for them, so we'll just see. Let's get going with this one. Alright, after some hard work, I got this. Only got these screws out there, those star screws. I really wish they didn't use those, but oh well, they're hard to get to. Well, I need hands for this. Let's see the camera down here real quickly. We got the wire to the get off. You gotta get this off. More star screws. Oh well. At least I have the screwdrivers. Like I said, those are annoying, but at least I have the screwdrivers. I had to go digging around for my dad's pair, but oh well, let's get to it. Well, one of the screws actually got dull and wouldn't come out, so we did the simple way. We broke it off. Oh well. Hate those screws. They're just not that strong. I wonder, HP must really be safety free. So well, here's the button panel. Interesting. A digital indicator. And here's the scanner. Can I get this thing to move? Oh well. Look at the gears. The heck? Oh well. That's the thing. Somehow it runs along the track. Well, apparently those screws on the still some, looks like it's still got some cartridges in it. That's not even, said some kind of indicator. Oh, well, here's the, oh, yeah, this is a Inkjet printer. Yeah, these have been replaced by the laser jet. No wonder they didn't, no wonder they didn't last. Oh, well, how about we just take this part out? Ooh. Well, finally got the screws holding this down. Dang, it takes a lot longer than I thought. Well, what we got under there? Oh, well, how about we take the ink cartridges out? They're gonna have to come out if we're gonna service this. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, well, it still moves, but, whoa, well, I don't know. Oh, what do we got down here? Ooh, get this. There. Okay. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh, crap. Man. Oh, so we just gotta try and get this thing out, huh? Look at what that does. Seems cool. There's more circuitry down there. We'll have to probably... it's controlled by... It starts down here, and then this is one of those control things, and the motors, it controls this, which turns that and turns the gear. That's what pushes the paper. Oh, well, we can pull that out. Pull the switch off. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. Oh, well, there's a lot of detachable wires down there, like this. Yeah. This one down here. Is this... Oh, that's what controlled the Inkjet. Now this. There. Now, it shouldn't be... Oh, let's just see. It snaps on down there. Oh, well, we're gonna get this out. Or wasn't actually as hard to get out as it looked, but, yeah. Oh, well, this is a paper rolling mechanism. Dang, it is crazy. That was just, but anyway, this back part, here's another one of those motors I didn't see before. Trying to get that out. Dang, but all we had to do to get this whole thing out was just one screw and one thread. Dang, I hate these screws. They're all different sizes, just hard to get out, break easily, dang. It's all just screwed up. No pun intended. Oh well, let's try to take off this motor and this thing here holding the gears. Got this sucker apart. Damn. There's a lot of gears and mechanics in these things. Almost like miniature gearboxes in cars. Oh, well, let's put these away for now. What should we tackle next? Oh, here's our circuit board. What should we tackle next? How about we just... let's get this. Let's get this circuit board out. Well, we got this circuit board out, along with a sheet of aluminum underneath it, and yeah, I guess we pretty much kicked the whole thing. And there's the ink absorbers, and there. And so, yeah, it's pretty much, there you have it in what's inside a typical inkjet printer technology, which is actually not typical anymore. And so, well, it's not that interesting, though, but yeah, if you ever wondered, mechanical way, so, but